Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Sunday, and the date is 7th of March 2021. Okay, girls, we are learning about science tools. Why science tools are really important? Who can tell me why science tools are really important? Raise your hand so you can tell me. Science tools are very important. For what? Raise your hand. Yes, yes, Batul. Why science tools are really important?
Because science tool is important for many stuff, like how we can, there. I doesn't know.
It help you to find what?
It's helped me to find more things about science, and even it can let me see that a lot of stuff with the science tool. Why they make the science
Very
tool
good,
is new
Batul.
for knowing how this how this bug is like, how the weather, how the liquid is gonna
Excellent,
be with
excellent.
this for the science tool.
Excellent, excellent, ya Batul. So science tools help you find out informations about the weather, about size, about everything around you. Whenever you want to learn informations about the life going around you, even if it's a weather, a house, or whatever in your way, so tools, science tools help you to find out these information. Let's say you want to see something closely. You want to make things look bigger. What are you going to use? Yes, yeah, Miriam. If you want things looks bigger, you want to see things larger.
Hand lens. It's from the science
Excellent.
tool.
You are going to use a hand lens because a hand lens make things look bigger. Okay, there are so many stuff that you cannot see with your own eye, but you can use a tool to see it. Yes, ya Lamar, this is a hand lens. Cool. Look at Lamar, she has a hand lens. Wow, I love it. I love it. Okay, there are some things, my lovely students, you cannot see them with your own eye. You need a tool to see them. Do you know what is the name of this tool? Do you have any idea about the name of this tool? Huh. Okay. I'm gonna put a picture of it. Okay? I'm gonna put a picture for you of it. And tell me, do you recognize this picture or not? Okay, in a minute. All right. I'm gonna put the picture for you and tell me what is this picture? Huh. What is the name of this tool? Yes, Yara. I think Yara, she knows. Yes, Yara.
I don't know the name, but you like if something very small, we can like put it and see it. But I forgot the name.
Yes, excellent. This is how it works. If there is something too small and you cannot see with your own eye, you can put it over here and put your eyes on top, and then it will make it bigger and larger for you. Do you have any idea what is the name of it? Anyone? Anyone? You see, Batul, what is the name of it?
Miss, I don't know the name, but I see it in real life.
Yes,
I
you
saw
saw
it.
it in real
I
life. Nice.
Yeah, when I was gonna get like where they take from like this from my mom,
Sample of
no,
blood.
from me, they
Yes.
take like this, and there was in the other side there is like this. I can see it, and I was showing
Okay,
it
let's
what
see
they
your
do.
friends if they know the name of this tool or not. Okay, let's see. Yes, Lara.
Magnifier.
Okay, it's a magnifying tool. Very good. But it has another name. Very good. It is a magnifying tool. Very good. But it has another name. Thank you, Lara. Let's see. Hi, Mariam.
Magnifying glass.
Okay, it is magnifying. It has a magnifying glass, but it has another name. Let's see, Lamar. Yes, yeah, Lamar.
Miss, I have a measuring tape. I have a measuring tape.
Excellent. Okay. Okay, Juri, what is the name of this tool, ya Juri?
Microscope.
Excellent, excellent, everyone. So this is a microscope. A microscope lets you see things that you cannot see with your own eye. If it's too small, you can use a microscope, put it over here down in the middle, and then it will use light and a magnifying lens so you can put your eye over here on top and see things bigger and wider and larger. Excellent. This is a microscope, my lovely students. All right, let's go back to the book and see what else do you have. What other tools did you learn? So, a hand lens make things look bigger or larger. Not only a hand lens, a magnifying glass, also a magnifying box. There is something called a magnifying box. You can put inside an insect or something else so it can look bigger and you can see it. All right, there are two more over here. Tell me, what are the tools you see over here, Yadina? Hi, Adina. What are the tools that you can see over here?
I can see the orange juice and the and the
Okay, orange juice. Where did we put the orange juice? Inside what? What do we call this tool, Adina?
we call it
Ah,
right,
a measuring.
a measuring cup.
Excellent, Adina. This is a measuring cup. It measures liquid. And what is the unit of measuring liquid? Who can tell me? Hi, Yara. Can you tell me what is the unit of measuring liquids? Huh?
Yes.
What is the unit? You will say, I have 100 watt of liquid, 100 watt of juice, 100 milliliters. Excellent, excellent. Very good, yeah. Yara, very good. So I have 100 milliliters of juice, or I have 200 milliliters of juice, 50 milliliter of perfume or of water. So any liquid, if you are measuring the volume of the liquid, you are going to use the unit milliliter. Please don't forget that the units are very important in measuring. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look at this one. This tool. What is this tool? It measures how hot or cold something is. What do we call it? The one I circled. What do you call this tool? Can you tell me, what do you call this tool? Yeah, let me see. Someone is not opening the camera. I need everyone to participate. Hi, Jayda. Jayda.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Jada, by mistake.
Yes.
All right, this tool, the one I am circling, what is it? What do you call it?
I forgot what is it called.
Okay, it measures how something cold or warm. So it measures what?
Weather.
Okay, good. What in the weather it can measure? It measures. Okay, thank you, Jada. Thank you for trying. Thank you. Yes, yeah, Juri. Hi, Juri. Yes, Yaleen. What do you call this one?
Which one?
The one I circled. What do you call
Oh.
this? This is a.
This is what? Wait, thermometer.
It's a thermometer, and it measures what?
Miss, it measures if it measures
Just a minute.
heat
Just a
and
minute,
cold.
Lean. Thank you, Lean. You told me the name of the tool. Thank you.
Miss, wait. Miss, did you say the first tool that you gave us, the one that is just like a magnifying glass? I forgot what
Yes,
it's called.
microscope. It is a
Yeah,
microscope.
the microscope. It's better than the hand lens, because it's like when you see any tiny stuff, like if you put something tiny like this big, it can't see through it inside it. What is inside it?
Excellent. Yes, it's
Miss,
called a microscope.
Miss,
Yes, Lillian. Okay, Juri, this is a thermometer. A thermometer measures what? Can you tell me, Juri, it measures what?
it measures temperature.
Excellent. And what is the unit of measuring temperature, Juri?
Degrees.
Excellent. And you measure with a unit called degrees. Thank you. You can close your mic, my dear. So in this page, we learned.
I want to show you something. It's animal.
Okay, show me, Juri. Nice, cool. I love your drawings. Nice. Very nice, Jori. Very nice. Okay, my lovely students. So we learned in this page 3 tools. We are going to learn more about tools. Look at this page. What are the tools you can see? What are the tools you can see in this page? Huh? What do you see? Let's see. Where is Fatima? Just a minute, Fatima. I can't find your name. Okay, Fatima is not here. Let's see. Rama. Hi, Rama.
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Rama?
Hi.
Okay, Rama. In this page, we have 4 tools. All of them will help you to find out the information too. So can you tell me what are the tools you can see? Choose one tool and tell me about it. Rama, can you see the page?
Yes, I don't know what is the page.
It is page 16 and 17. Look at my screen. Look at my screen and tell me, I need you to look at the pictures, not the writings. The pictures. What do you see?
I see a meter, and I see like the balloon.
A
And
meter. Excellent, a meter. Okay. This meter, we call it a measuring tape because it looked like a tape. Excellent, Yarama. This one you mean?
Yes.
Okay, this is an orange, or maybe it is a balloon, or maybe it's a ball. You are measuring this ball using a measuring tape because it looked like a tape. And this tape is bendable. It is really easy to bend the tape and measure all of it from around. So if you want to measure around an object, you can use a measuring tape. Thank you, Yarama. So
You're welcome.
first tool in this page, my lovely student, is a measuring tape. What do you call this, ya Jayda?
A measuring tape to measure stuff.
Excellent, to measure around an object. Let's underline together. Close your mic and let's underline together. This is a measuring tape and you measure around an object. All right, who can tell me what is another tool? Oh, okay, tell me another tool you can see in this page. Tell me another tool you can see in this page. You see, Maryam.
A ruler and a crayon.
Ruler, excellent. And what does a ruler do? It measures what? This.
It measures inches and centimeters.
Excellent, excellent. Inches and centimeters. These are the units. You are using centimeters and also you are using inches. Okay, yeah, Maryam, what does it measure? What do you measure with a ruler?
We measure anything like.
Objects are just like this ball, or they have to be straight lines?
No.
You measure straight lines with a ruler. You measure.
Yeah, because the ruler is straight.
Yes, so you measure the length. If you want to know what is the length of your book, you are going to use a ruler. If you want to know what is the length of your pencil, you are going to use a ruler. What else? Any straight line, you are going to use a ruler to measure. And yes, you will say this pencil is 6 centimeters or 10 centimeters or inches. You are going to use the unit of inches or centimeters, or as also the measuring tape. Now let's go to the next page and see what are the other tools we did not talk about. Now look at these tomatoes. These tomatoes are where? You put them in what? Who knows what is this tool? Who knows what is this tool? This tool is what? Yeah, let me see. Ghalia. Hi, Ghalia. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Ghalia. I want to ask you about the tomatoes. Look at the tomatoes. These tomatoes.
What?
Look at the tomatoes.
Okay.
Can you see the tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay, I am measuring the weight of these tomatoes. How? What is the perfect tool for this measuring? If I want to measure the weight of this tomato, what do you call it?
Okay.
I call it a scale. This tool is a scale, ya Ghalia, okay? Now, if I want to measure the weight of something, of an object or a fruit or a vegetable, I'm going to use a scale. Ghalia, do you know how do I measure, or what is the unit to measure the weight?
6
6, excellent. It is 6 what? Is it centimeters or grams?
centimeter.
Are you sure? This is the weight.
Gram.
Grams. Excellent, ya Ghalia. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Ghalia, I am so happy to hear your voice. Do you know that? All right. So a scale can let you measure the weight of something. If you are having tomatoes, fruits, or anything, you can measure the weight using a scale. Definitely, you are going to use a gram, but a balance, this is a balance, let you measure the mass of something. And also, it uses grams and kilograms. So a balance make you measure the mass. It has two sides. In the left side, you can put whatever object you want to measure. For example, over here, you can see a book. And in the second side or the other side, over here, you can put small measuring tools such as these grams. Each one of them has a scale on it. It says maybe the smallest one is 5, this one is 10, the other one is 10, and all of them together, they make 25. So, you know, the mass of the book is 25 grams. How about if we watch a video so we can see each tool and how it is, for what do we use it? I think it's a good idea to watch a video about these science tools. Whoever agree with me, show me your thumbs. Excellent. Okay, let's say bye-bye to recording so we can watch the video. Bye-bye recording.